Hello class, this is Mr. B, so I'm going to explain to you the first project. I've talked to many of you about this already, but I'm just going to explain it again, so come here. Okay, so for this first project, keep in mind that you guys are scientists. This is a picture of you as a scientist. You're wearing a little lab coat here. Draw that in. And scientists, they have questions about things. And in order to answer those questions, they have to do experiments. So here's an experiment. And it's got some chemicals in there. But in order to do this, you need money. And scientists usually don't have a lot of money because you don't make a lot of money as a scientist. But there is something called the National Science Foundation that has a lot of money. And the National Science Foundation takes this money and they give it to scientists to do experiments. So this is exactly what you want. You want to get this money from the National Science Foundation. And in order to get it, you have to write them a letter. This is your little letter right there. Convincing them that you have a good experiment that you want to do. And in this letter, you're going to have to write about a bunch of things. You're going to have to write about your variables. You're going to have to write about what type of investigation you want to do, if it's replication. So it's basically all the things that are part of your project. This is all part of your project. Is going to go into this letter. So what you're making for your project is this letter. It's a really bad star. There you go. To convince the National Science Foundation to give you money for your experiment.